Well, the flight recorder is like an airplane black box for your JVM. So basically, this is something that we realized was needed because we had a lot of customers who would come into a scenario where they would have an issue, say in the middle of the night or on the weekend, a crash or an SLA breach. And of course, the first thing that IT people try to do then is to get things back up and running. And so then everyone comes in on Monday morning and tries to figure out what happened. And by that time, of course, all of the information is lost. So instead, what we did was we figured that the information that's needed is actually already there. The JVM knows a lot of what's going on, and so by taking this information and putting it into a circular buffer, we could then flush it when something interesting happens. And in fact, we allow you to configure, how much time to keep, how many events, and what kind of events to keep, and how often to flush that buffer out. So basically, by using the information that's already there in the VM, we're able to help you find out not only what happens at a particular point in time, but how you got there. And so for something like an SLA breach or a crash, this is essential information. It means you don't need to go back and try to recreate it, putting in things like instrumentation or using some product that's trying to collect additional information, which may then throw off the timing so that the issue doesn't happen or happens in a different way. So this is something that's been tremendously valuable for people, and we're very excited to have it. It was introduced in one of the updates of JDK 7, and it's of course there in JDK 8 as well.
It's now generally available.
It is generally available. The events that are there, along with mission control, can be used for free in development situations, and it's commercial value add for use in production.